Hey y'all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who may or may not already know, my name is Alex, aka Yellowberry. Hey, I don't bite. And by today's title, we're going to do things a little bit differently today. I'm going to be giving you guys a hair tutorial because I feel like I have to share this, okay? I do have a few hair things going on my channel, but nothing like this, okay? Nothing like this. So if I'm giving you guys this tea, you know it's because some real is happening, okay? If you guys have me on Instagram, you guys saw the results of my twist out when I just used water and Indian hemp. This is what Indian hemp is. So basically, it's just, in my opinion, a throwback grease, okay? It is the grease that a lot of us were raised on. A lot of us, you know, black girls, a lot of us girls with thick hair. What our moms was raised on is what our grandmoms was raised on, and so on and so forth. I did a twist out with just literally simply using water to wet my hair, because you know water is what moisturizes your hair, and then the grease to lock the moisture inside of your hair and keep it in there so it doesn't get dry. I used that. I used a comb to comb it out to make sure that everything is even. I added my little Indian hemp to it, and then I twisted it, and my hair came out marvelous. You guys can really see it, but this is my hair. I'm trying to turn this down. After I think like 2 days. This is my hair. Still curly, still very kinky. But guys, literally, that's all that I used. So usually I'm using all these souffle, poo-poo, bull crap products that do not work in my hair as far as for moisture. I realized over the years I've wasted my money on it, I wasted my time on it because it does not work for me. It got to the point, guys, where I started to despise having to do my hair because it's just like nothing works. If things are too light, it's like it'll work for the first day, and then by the next day my hair is literally like a cactus. Like it just needs some type of moisture. No matter how much water I put in it, no matter how much more of the souffle poo poo BS I put in it, it does not work for me. When I came across this Indian hemp this week, I realized my hair needs the ghetto throwbacks. It needs the grease that we have all shied away from. So I will not be using Indian hemp in this video. If you guys want, I can use it in another video, but I really want to see what it do with the blue magic, okay? I want to see what my hair is going to look like after I do a twist out using blue magic. This one is the Super Sure Grow, and it has shea butter, jojoba oil, and Japanese green tea leaves. I feel like I'm going to use this one, and it's going to probably give me the same, if not better, results as Indian hemp because they're both around the same consistency. They're both thick. They both a throwback grease, and I just feel like that's what my hair needs. You're going to see what it do with this. I'm going to show you how I do a twist out using the blue magic, and I'm going to show you the results, and we going to see. Careful. Alright, so as you guys can see, I came back to the camera. I have my hair basically, I have 3/4 of my hair twisted up. What I did was to part it in 4. I started with the back 2 sections first, then I came up to the front section, and now I'm just going to show you guys how I do this section. So what I do is just part it with my finger because I don't like too much like combing and stuff like that. Take this section, flip it up. Let's split this section. I'm going to take my spray bottle, spritz it. I don't like to get my hair soaking wet. I just feel like it's going to take forever to dry. Along with it taking forever to dry, it just, I don't know. I just feel like I don't like the way the results come out. I just need a little spritz to put the moisture in. Then I'm going to grab some of the blue magic, put it between my fingers. I'm not sure if you can see the amount. I'm going to start at my ends first, and then bring it to the top, so it's like really well moisturized. You guys not gonna be able to tell, but you can already see that the heavy weight of this grease is letting my hair sit. Yeah, I saw before. I'm gonna show y'all. Like the hair was my hair is kind of dry right now, so it's like kind of sticking up. But like, look at this, volume. Look at my twist when I shake them. Like, oh, we gonna get into that though. I'm just gonna do a 2-strand twist. Going down. Hi, Chase. gonna again take my spray bottle, spritz it a little bit, my brush, brush it out. I brush it out to make sure that everything is like even. Put some heavy grease, some of that throwback grease on it. Twist it up. Try to get as close to the root as possible. Then I kind of finger coil the end if I can't get all the way down there. So I'm just gonna continue this same process. Just gonna keep parting my hair. I do about 4 rolls. So basically this is just what my twist out looks like. Very flowy. I shake my head, everything moves, it's not stiff at all. I really appreciate the fact that the grease is so heavy that it still elongates my twist. Usually my problem when I do like twist outs is that when I wet it and initially put the product, I just feel like my twists are long for as long as it's wet, and then they just shrink up, which also hints to me that my hair is not being hydrated. So right now, this is just what your girl is looking like. I can already tell in comparison to the Indian hemp grease that this might do my hair a little bit more justice, for the simple fact that, as I said, I spritzed my hair a little bit, and the same amount that I did with Indian hemp, and my hair is still elongated. With the Indian hemp and the water method that I use, I still feel like my hair kind of wasn't tremendous, but it did kind of, you know, shrink up a little bit, nothing to speak of. So for right now, I'm just going to put on my tie head, wash off my makeup, and call it a night, and then I'll show you guys what the results will be in the morning. See you soon. Alright guys, so I am back. It is the next day. So this is what my hair looks like when I woke up. Just a little shrinkage, nothing too crazy. I did sleep with a bonnet on, so I'm just going to take out my twists one by one to show you guys. Alright guys, so this is how my hair looks so far. I haven't separated the twists as yet, but like as you can see, this is so freaking defined. Like, I'm gonna style my hair real quick, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna talk to you guys about this new product, well, this old product that, you know, just might have to make a comeback in my hair care. Alright guys, so here we have it. This is how my hair came out. It is still very much so moisturized. I don't know if you can see, my hands still have like minimal grease on it, nothing too crazy, but I freaking love it. I do have to fluff it out some more and kind of fix it, but this side is like my ultimate fave. I even have one dropping down in the front, yeah. I freaking love it so much. Again, the problem that I would have with like any other product doing a twist out or anything for that matter is that I just feel like it doesn't weigh my hair down, and I just feel like the Blue Magic really did it for me. Really did it for me. So I'm gonna also do a tutorial using the Indian hemp, so you guys can also see how that came out. That's gonna be in a separate video, of course. But again, I think that I would use either the Indian hemp or the Blue Magic, but I am in love with the Blue Magic. Like, I think this is my new go-to product. But this will be the end of this video. I just want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!